Hello mga kabeshi ko. Good evening to everyone. Yes guys, so we are here in Essence Restaurant in Novo Hotel here in City Gate. So we're having a dinner here. So I want also to, wait for our friends. And we already booked for 10 persons, but only we are 5. And then we're waiting also for our calls. As of now, some of my colleagues, they're sitting outside there, waiting for our table. So guys, see you then later. And I want to show you inside of Essence Restaurant here in Novotel City Gate, Chungcheong. See you then. Stay tuned. Guys, so already they call us. So we going inside na. Yes, so dito na tayo. Okay, this is our table. Yes. Guys, dito ng ating table. Yan. Have a seat, guys. So ito na po ang kanilang mga pagkain dito. Yes, this mussels, fried mussels, yeah, octopus. Wow, all here is seafoods, guys. And this area also is sushi. As you can see, whoa, one bowl of wasabi. Wasabi, guys. Okay, Brenda. Come on, take it this one, your favorite, the octopus one, and the sushi. This is all the different kinds of sushi, guys. They have the white, red, and the pink one. And this is the pastry. This is also for the barbecue. Gusto mo ba ng dim sum? Yeah, that one is good. Okay, I'll be back for that. And this is also the fish, steamed fish. And this area is the lamb. Oh, steak, not lamb. This is also some spices here. And here, all the guests, also the customers. They are almost finished. This area is from the beverage. Coffee here. Soft drinks there, all the fruits, and here dessert. Yeah, you can see this one, fruit plant, and then this one also is the mousse. Wow, this is what I like it. Portuguese tart. Portuguese tart means from Macau, but we are in Hong Kong. Charot. Portuguese nga kasi, is Macau, right? Okay, ito naman, guys. Wow, this is hula pie and donut. Okay, this one, oh, don't touch, it's hot. Seasonal vegetables. This is the pasta. Oh, look at it, that one shells are quite too big. And this portion is fried crabs and beef, the pork ribs. No, it's a short ribs. Sorry for that. Short ribs beef. Okay, this is one naman is the Chinese soup. Chinese soup. Oh, and this area waffles. You want egg waffles here, and this is also some bread pastries here. Okay, so that's all. Wow, they have also this fountain cake here. I remember when my granddaughter Alice, this is, they have also this one. Ooh, the fountain chocolate. Sorry, it's not cake. Fountain chocolates. Yeah, you can take something like this one. I'll show you. This is it, like that one, the marshmallow. and then put it there. Yeah. Later. I'll be back for that. Guys, so I will take mussels here. This 1, 2, that's it. And I take also pork ribs. What is this? Octopus? Calamari. Okay, I want to try calamari. Wow, this is what I like. I like it. And this one, the shells, is good for iron. Ayan. Good for iron. And this one, shrimps. So, I want to take seafoods first, okay? Okay, take some limes, put over there. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. Can I have this one octopus, please? And then some also this tuna. Thank you. Okay, that one, he slice it now. Okay, thanks. Barbecue chicken wings. No, I'm looking for that. Okay, later. Okay, bengo yako ha? Okay, say. Alright, so I just remove it, this one na lang. Here. There you go. That's it. Okay, guys, so let's eat. Bon appetit. Squeeze natin ang lime.
Fish. Steam fish. Yan. Doon. Wala nang laman. Kinuha
Kain tayo. Okay. Ito muna unahin natin. Si tuna.
Masarap yung gloves yan. Alin? Ay, masarap mong beef. Yan, masarap. Dito yung mahang pula. At yung mahang data, kaya mo? Madik. Kaya.
Guys, ito tinatawag naming basikul.
Ito naman yan.
Ha?
Saan yan?
You know, shell. This is good, guys. This is lots of iron. Kung kayo ay kulang sa dugo, mga anemic kayo, ito mabuti ito, guys.
Sama ng podcast yun eh. Mga salad ito eh.
Ito naman shrimps, very fresh. Wala ko nakitang lobster.
Walang lobster dito. Hindi naman masarap. Lobster. Maganda man, kaslapay guma, parang guma. Ano, di ba?
Parang goma pag na-overcook. Sa pa, guys, tatlo.
Uwi ko. Doon ako kakain ng lobster.
Okay, I like this one. It's a clam. Oh yeah, gusto ko rin yan, guys. Then this one is the lamb. Lamb, I wanna try it. Lamb ba to or barbecue? Bengo, yako. Pangalawa na yan. Yes, I like this lamb. And fish. Wow, I like this one. Big one and half less. One. Few slice, please. Okay? It's okay? Two only? Thank you. Then sauce niya. Gravy sauce. Yan. Kumuha ko ng isda. Ano yun? Garupa. Tapos lamb. And then the beef steak. Nangangamoy pa rin yung lamb, guys. Soft.
Nakalive ka ba o
Video ka.
reviewan to? Live.
Mag-live na lang nga. Okay, mamaya ako mag-live. As of now, buksan ko muna itong tawag dito? Oysters. Ooh, oysters! Malaki-laki, guys. Biyakin, oy. Oh, meron siyang pearls. Charot.
Kukunin ko na sana.
May pearl, yung pala. Ito, guys, oh. Ay, lagyan natin ng lime. Okay. Kain muna tayo nitong pearl. Sipsipin natin, guys. Sarap. Fresh na fresh. Sarap. Then, barbecue. Medyo makunat. Ito na lang. Steamed fish. Yummy. Tikman natin lahat, guys. Itong steak nila, this one they call rib eye. Wow, very soft.
Beef eye? Naka-rib eye.
Rib eye. Beef.
Eye. Wala na yung isda agad. Wala na agad? Oo. Sabi ko.
Mayroon pa ng pagkaliswa.
Sino ba si...
Okay guys, so tatapusin ko muna to kasi magla-live na ako. Okay, there you go. Ito mga aking mga besties. Mga sister Rakis ko. Ayan. Si Brenda. Huwag ipakita ang pinggan. Mukha lang. Oh, di ba? Ito da. Finish na. Ready to pick and take another new plate. Pero, as of now,
Binigay niya na sa link.
ito guys, ang kanilang loob, oy, malaki din man naman. So, mamaya guys, pupunta tayo kukuha ng coffee for digestion. Diba? Para naman matunaw na ang ating kinain. Charot! Kanina, nag-Starbucks kami. Libre naman yun. Bigay ng aming mga kaibigan. Ngayon, free dito. Drink all you can. So, I wanna choose cafe latte or I don't want cappuccino. Or either, caramel na lang. Caramel latte. Yes. So, mamaya, guys. Tatapusin na na. Kain muna.
Ready pa lang.
Yes, guys. So, this is it. Mag-dessert na tayo. You know, coffee is life. Kasi tapos na ako kumain, guys. Tapos, mag-dessert na ako.
Masarap. Masarap pa to.
This is my favorite pudding.
Masarap pa to, Bek.
Ha?
Then,
Sarap ng pudding nila. And ito po ay Portuguese tart. Niloloko ko kayo kanina. Portuguese kasi from Macau. Pero hindi. This is Hong Kong. Ang mga tao kasi sa Macau, they call Portuguese. Kasi the old days before, those people who live in Macau are Portuguese. Kaya Portuguese Macau. And then lahat naman nakasulat doon is Portuguese. Pero mostly is the are Chinese. Mag-juice ka, oh.
Doon.
Ako din, magbanyo.
Sa tabi ng escalator.
Okay, sandali. Tapusin ko muna to.
Tabi ng escalator. Gusto mo muna?
Oo, sandali lang. Kasi baka, kukunin naman nila to. Sayang din.
Nila kukunin, mayroon pa laman. Ay laman, di naman nila kukunin. Ano ka na, escalator.
Isa pa.
Pero may laman ba ako ba? Kasi puno na yung tiyan ko, wala na kakain. Ayoko na ba yung binayad ko?
Dali. Tapusin ko na.
Yan o.
Tigman ko na lang kahit kunin nila. Ito pa, banana. Ay, masarap yung banana.
Ayaw mo na, kukuha ka na lang ulit. Kukuha mo na yung malit dun. Dito ka naman kumuha ulit.
Nagyayaya kasi kasama ko. Punta kami muna mag-see. Alam niyo na. Okay, done. Lord, sino tao dito? Ay, kunin ko lang to. Mamaya matangay. Okay guys, bye from now. Kasi babanyo muna kami. I'll be back, okay? Thanks for watching guys. Stay safe everyone. God bless and God bless. Love you all. Yes guys, thanks for watching. I wanna cut now guys. See you again. Bye from now. Here we are with my friends. Yeah. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay safe guys. Bye-bye. God bless. Ala si Bren. Chuchuchuchuchun.
Lumalang si Yolo. Ang dami ng mag-gymnastic.
Buti tinatakpan niya yung tiyan niya. Charot. Lisa. Samantala si Carle, ang hilig niya, football. Di, meron naman football team eh. Oh. Yes guys, tapos na ang kainan namin. Dito na kami sa MTR. Busog-busog guys. Ayan na. Si Brenda, nakakapit na sa bar. Ayaw niya na umupo kasi busog. Charot. Ayan yung mga sister natin ko. Nag-aantay na lang kami guys. Ayan. Si Brenda, magcha-cha-cha muna sa gitna ng train. Si Jay ang lambot ng katawan, ano? Para si Ting 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 Tang Tang. Guys, paalis na tayo. Okay, the doors is closed. Okay guys, so uwi na kami. Bye-bye from now. Yan guys, so okay, let's go. Thanks everyone. Bye, Ching Ching from now. See you again soon.